Artificial intelligence, AI, and big data are integral to modern internet services, enabling personalized experiences, efficient operations, and real-time insights. AI analyzes large datasets to identify patterns, make predictions, and automate responses. This transforms the internet into a more dynamic environment. AI refers to algorithms and machine learning models that simulate human intelligence, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. Big data involves collecting and analyzing massive volumes of structured and unstructured data from sources like social media and web traffic. AI algorithms analyze big data to uncover trends, automating decision-making based on insights gained. Large datasets are essential for training AI models, improving their accuracy and reliability over time. AI analyzes user behavior to generate personalized recommendations, increasing engagement and satisfaction. Streaming platforms like Netflix use AI to suggest content based on user history, enhancing the online experience. AI enhances search engines by analyzing web data to understand search intent and deliver accurate results. AI models like Google's BERT improve search accuracy by understanding context, optimizing results for users. AI-powered chatbots use natural language processing to provide instant responses and improve customer service. Virtual assistants like Alexa and Siri use AI to assist users, answering questions and providing recommendations. AI and machine learning identify unusual patterns to prevent fraud and enhance security in online transactions. Banks monitor transaction data with AI to flag suspicious activities in real time, protecting users' sensitive data. AI-driven analytics platforms assist companies in making informed decisions based on current trends and consumer behaviors. Advertisers use AI to optimize campaigns, analyzing user interactions to make quick adjustments.